Hello and welcome to Hack5. My name is Darren Kitchen, and on this dose of Technolust, I wanted to share with you, well, just that, my Technolust. I'm actually out here in Big Bear Lake, on a mountain east of Los Angeles as I wait for DEF CON. I'm here with the vans to pick up the inventory to bring all the ducks and pineapples and all that jazz to DEF CON, and then I'm going to be, mobile for a few months after, maybe some meetups. In any event, the perfect opportunity to share something really cool and new with you just popped up, and I figured what better way to show you than when I really need it. Let's start on the roof. Here on the roof of the Peanut, I can show you one of my favorite features of the rig. Obviously, the roof deck is pretty cool, but that guy right there is the Gen 3 Dishy for Starlink, and you'll notice it's modified. This is a 3D printed enclosure that Glitch did up for me, and this thing has been solid. Asterisk. Let's check inside. Now, I don't know if I've ever actually shown you my office in the Peanut van, but I'm really happy with this. Check this out. Essentially, boom, dual monitor rig, all the comforts of home, except one issue, right is starting on this trip in here. As soon as I left on this DEF CON trip, I realized that my Starlink PoE wasn't working. My first thought is the buck converter died. This is essentially a step-up guy that takes 12 volts in from my house batteries and then converts it to the 48 volts you need to run, good old power over Ethernet. And these adapters there do a fine job. The whole system ties into a modem running OpenWRT, which, of course, has Glitch's famous TTL hack done on it, so I get unlimited data on my LTE. That said, when I want Starlink, what I had it set up to do was quite simply just press the Starlink button on this old 12 volt bus, the stupid cigarette lighter adapter that we're all stuck with for reasons. Hooray standards. In any event, turns out this was the culprit. So mid-trip here, I realized all I needed to do was take some spare parts I had, 12 volt extension and some of these plugs, and just create my own Y adapter. I just needed to be able to solder it all together, which is why I turned to the van next door. Yo, Glitch.
Hey, dude.
I know this is a work in progress build.
Oh look, I'm clean.
I know, right? I'm stoked for everybody to eventually see this rig in all its hacker glory because Glitch has been working so hard on it. It actually looks pretty decent.
It's cozy.
I can't believe it's only been a week since you've had this.
It's been busy.
So this is actually the perfect opportunity to do a real world test of what has been honestly saving my bacon for the last couple of years. You've seen this in vlogs whenever Glitch and I are flying. It's the infamous, soldering kit?
Crash kit. It doesn't have a real name yet, but the soldering kit. It's a Hack5 wrap full of all kinds of soldering goodies.
And I think it's about time because people have been asking for years. And yes, if you're going to DEF CON, you'll actually be able to pick up your very own Glitch Crash Kit at the Hack5 booth. Come by, say hi. You'll see a giant inflatable pineapple. That's how you'll know it's us. And when you do, we want to hear your Technolust. Like, what little projects have you been working on? There's so many that we've been working on, and I'm excited to share with you this year. In fact, big day, kind of buried the lead. It's August 5th, which means Hack5 is 19. So now we're on the road to the big 2-0, the 20-year anniversary. It's going to be huge. We have so much in store between now and then. I can't wait to share with you in the coming weeks and months. Amazing stuff, including payloads and payload awards, but also some huge projects to share with you. So I hope to be seeing you more regularly here soon. Regardless, I hope you guys come by, say hi at DEF CON, check out the Glitch Crash Kit, and in any event, when you do, share your Technolust, and we'll remind you, trust your Technolust.